Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Adobe Premiere Pro using Creative Cloud authentication. To begin, open your computer and locate the Creative Cloud application. Double-click the Creative Cloud icon to launch it. Once the application is open, sign in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have an Adobe ID, click on the Create Account option and follow the prompts. After signing in, navigate to the Apps tab at the top of the screen. Search for Adobe Premiere Pro in the list of available applications. If you see a prompt to install, click the Install button next to Adobe Premiere Pro. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, locate Adobe Premiere Pro in your applications list. Double-click the Adobe Premiere Pro icon to open the program. You may be prompted to enter your Adobe ID credentials again upon launching Premiere Pro. Enter your Adobe ID and password to authenticate. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, Premiere Pro will automatically verify your license. You will see a welcome screen with options to start a new project or open an existing one. At this point, you are fully authorized to use Adobe Premiere Pro. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Creative Cloud application. If further assistance is needed, visit the Adobe support website for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.